In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your laptop location on Brave. If you've ever had a site ask for your location and you weren't sure how to control that, this walkthrough will make it clear. We're going to adjust the permission setting inside Brave so you decide whether websites can request your location or not. This won't spoof or fake your location, and it doesn't change your IP address. It simply controls whether websites can access your device's location information through the browser. Start by opening Brave Browser. Once it's up, look to the upper right corner of the window and click the three lines icon to open the main menu. From that menu, select Settings. Settings is where Brave keeps all the controls for privacy, security, and site behavior, so it's the perfect place to make this change. Inside Settings, click Privacy and Security. This section is focused on how Brave handles data, tracking, and permissions. Next, select Site and Shield settings. Think of this as the control room for what websites are allowed to do in your browser. You'll find controls for things like camera, microphone, notifications, and the one we need today, location. In the permissions area, click on Location. This opens a dedicated page for managing how Brave responds when a website wants your location. You'll see two main choices. The first option is sites can ask for your location. With this selected, websites can request your location, and Brave will show a prompt at the top of the page asking whether to allow or block it. This is handy if you want flexibility. For example, you might allow a map site or a delivery service just once while blocking others. You remain in control each time. The second option is don't allow sites to see your location. Choose this if you prefer maximum privacy and don't want to be interrupted by prompts. With this setting, Brave will automatically block location access for all sites, and they won't be able to ask you for it. Whichever option you pick, the change takes effect immediately. You don't need to restart the browser, and you can come back to this page anytime to switch between the two depending on your needs. Remember, this setting affects how Brave handles location requests on your laptop. If a site still seems to know where you are, it may be estimating based on your IP address, which is different from the browser's location permission. That's it. Open Brave, go to Settings, head to Privacy and Security, then Site and Shield Settings, choose Location under Permissions, and select whether sites can ask or are denied entirely. Thanks for watching and enjoy browsing with the location control that fits you best.